Over there! Is that a waterfall? The biodiversity is astounding!
Sure is, Carrots. Try not to jump out, okay?
It's so beautiful! The path curves just past this mire. We need to keep moving.
Easy for you to say. You're not pulling the luggage.
Look how muddy it is. Look, sweetie, over there! Oh, I scared it. It's okay. We'll find another one. Look, guys. Have you ever seen anything like it?
The map says we should turn back, but this is amazing.
Look at them. They're so shiny. Wait, what do you see up there? It's glowing! This is amazing! Okay, hold still, everyone. Ready?
That looks amazing.
Stay close and watch your step. We're almost halfway across.
Don't worry, just don't look down.
Is it supposed to sway this much?
Hey, don't look down. Look at me, okay?
You're safe.
Great job. I knew you could do it, Junior Ranger.
Hello! Hello, Zootopia! Look at that one! It's glowing so bright!
Incredible, isn't it?
Stay close, we don't want to get lost. It's okay. Don't worry, I'm right here. We just need to keep moving forward.
Oh dear. Stand back. This is actually the rapid deployment phase. Perfectly normal.
Peaceful night, the fires glow, sharing stories soft and low.
Oh, thank goodness we found the path!
You did great, kid. Don't worry about those shadows now.
They look like giant monsters.
Careful now, don't drop it in the fire.
Look, I got one. I'm gonna roast it. Best trip ever.